Hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make the game Bomberman. Alright, for the Bomberman game, the first thing is when Renta is played, show first backdrop 1 because we want to have the backdrop win and lose. Then set goes kill or maybe score. Then point interaction 90, and then set rotation style left and right, and then set game running to true, and then set explosions to false. And then for this one, you may hold up. For this one, like when do you wanna make it spawn? Like if you wanna make it spawn like here or like here, maybe it's your choice. So just make sure the coordinate is the same as which where your sprite want to be. Then forever, if game running equals to a true, if key up arrow or W key press, then change Y by 4 next custom. So for this one, we wanna make it like is really walking, like that. Hmm. Alright, sorry for that. For this one, just copy paste, and copy paste. And don't forget the arrow, EF press. Yeah, don't forget the R. And if touching color, whatever the obstacle is, you just need like, hold up, let me see. Sorry. So, for example, like up is change Y by 4. So if touching the color black, change Y by -4. It's the same like down arrow change if down arrow press or S press change Y by -4 and touching black then Y by 4 is the same as the A and then left arrow, right arrow. Wait, this is not right. Oh, I'm sorry. Done. Alright, like that. So it will be like this. This yeah, the difference is when left right is X, but when it's up and down it's Y. Alright. For the next one, for this one, if touching the color of the explosion, like if the explosion is one, so we make it like this much of color. Then when score equals how much you want, broadcast you win. When and then touching the ghost, hold up, let me see. Right there. And then broadcast you lose. Next one is the molotov. I mean the bomb. For this one, I make two. There's molotov and bomb. So for the molotov, when B is clicked, when B is clicked, if explosion equals false, set explosion to true. Go to sprite one when in direction. So for this one, you need to click your sprite, so it will have direction. Because if there's no stage, it will not have the direction. Alright, alright. And then switch mode off to yet one and then show the repeat is for like for it to be for the fire to repeat like that. And then hide, vertical kaboom, and then set explosion to false. Run the fire, but I talk about. Then for the ghost, for the motive, it's the same for this one. And then this one, yeah, you want to make two bomb, right? Or maybe if you want one bomb, just don't forget to when when any keys press. I mean, when any keyboard button you like, it's the same. For this one, you just need to make it like this with that. And it's just the same. That repeat four times, so it would just like one, two, three, four, like that. Alright. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, let me see. Switch from no, no. Alright, like this. Go. Wait, no, no. For this one, I'm wrong. So the thing is, we need to get completely here, then there, then like this. Alright. Now I'm not mistaken. Then don't forget to switch custom to victory. Boom. Like this. Now, isn't it supposed to be alright? 7 times. So it will be like this. Sorry. Wait, no way. Oh, I missed it, guys. So it will be like this. Pew. Alright. So it's done. Now it's time for the ghost. Right. When green light is clicked, show, go to X. For the coordinate, you need to make sure the coordinate is the same. So you will spawn there and the coordinate you want. Then wait how many seconds? So for this wait, it's like when you the wait one is like it needs to wait for how much second and then it can move. And forever point in direction pick random to 90 to minus 90 and then repeat pick random 20 to 30 move and then move 3 steps. Sorry. Then touching color for this one I make it for fun because it's kind of funny. Like look we then go to the place. Just make it easier. Alright, like that. So then the next one, then if touching us, the cat, broadcast you lose. On this one, I don't know why it doesn't work, but this code will work for you. Then if touching color, the color of our explosion, right? Then hide, go skill to one, set go to 175, and then minus 54, set goes effect to 50. So for this one, it will show again. So yeah, it should be like six. Let me just say like that. It will show again, and then wait 1 second, show, and then repeat 9.0.5 seconds. Change those effects by -10. So like this. Let me see. Yeah, I forgot. Come on. Oh, come on. I'm not that good. Yeah, for the ghost, it's just the same. Just need to decide this. Oh yeah, this one. When backdrop shifts to backdrop 2 or the lowest one, forever height. I'm sorry, I'm kind of feeling sick today. Then when backdrop switches to the win one, forever height. So it's the same. Then when I receive you lose, I'm you win right, and then for this one is all the same. For this one, for the background one, when the backdrop is clicked, just backdrop to one, to one, and then you lose, just backdrop to backdrop, to lose backdrop. Then you win, switch to the backdrop of the win one. Alright, and I think that's all for me. If I have any mistake, I apologize to you guys. Oh yeah, wait, sorry, I haven't shown you the full game. Alright, let's go. Sorry, I think I forgot something. Ah, yes. Alright, lighter, so it'll be more cooler. 6. Alright, lock this way. Ah. So here the win. Pew! Yeah. Sorry for this one. Let me see. Drop 2. High. There. Alright, I think that's all for me. If I have any mistake, I apologize to you guys. And I think that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.